How to delete your Cash App account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete your Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your Cash App account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface where you can basically tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side here, just scroll down, go to the support tab. Once you go to the support tab, go to account and settings. From account and settings, just look for the option called close your Cash App account and then tap on it. Once you tap and close your Cash App account here, it will give you a little pop-up here. You can just tap the confirm option. Once you do that, your Cash App account will get successfully closed and deleted. This way you will be able to delete your Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.